Everyone was hyping AI editing, so I gave this photo of mine to an AI to convert it into realistic pencil sketch art, and it gave me this result. I don't know why it gave me result of someone else, or if it's even me, but it completely changed it. This is not what I wanted. So let's give Photoshop a try. I know you are not a pro editor, but I can show you how to achieve this realistic pencil sketch art with just one click. I'll show you how to achieve this manually in Photoshop, but you can also get it with just one click. Just open your photo in Photoshop and apply this action, and you are good to go. To get this action, check the download link in the video's description. Okay, so to make it manually in Photoshop, all you have to do is to go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Find Edges. Then press Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate it, and you are done. Sorry, I'm joking. Okay, so first of all, you need to convert the layer into a smart object. Then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-J, invert it by pressing Ctrl-I. Then change its blend mode to color dodge. Now go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Blur it about 3 pixels and then hit OK. Now we are almost there. All you have to do is to create a black and white adjustment layer on top of everything to desaturate it. To add more realism, let's create a new layer and apply this paper texture pattern. By the way, you can download it from the link in the video's description. Change its blend mode to multiply to show only the darkest part of the layer. Drop the opacity to 80%. Now duplicate it and apply the different pattern, and change its opacity to 20%, and you are done. The best part is you can change the image by opening the smart object and replace it with something else. It will automatically apply the effects. So this is how you can achieve it manually in Photoshop, and you also got a template which you can use anytime for anyone. By the way, don't forget to download the action from the description. I also have other Photoshop tools that you might be interested in, so check those out too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until then, peace.